Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. Just like many other tourists in Thailand, we ended up visiting one of the most popular tourist sites in Bangkok. The Dam Nuon Sarawak floating market in Thailand is advertised in almost every travel guide. In this video, I'm going to take you around this densely packed tourist spot and talk about whether you should visit or just go elsewhere. I'm hoping that this video will help those planning on visiting the Dam Nuon Sarawak floating market, and hopefully it'll shine light on what kind of prices you'll find whilst taking a boat around this market. Alright, we have finally made it to the floating market and we're going to grab one of these boats here, traditional boats. I'm going to take it across the market, see what we can find when we get there. Alright, so I finally made it onto the boat and as you can see I've got enough leg room here. So the boat sets off from this area here, the main station where you get dropped off. And then we're going to make our way to the floating market, which is just down there I think. Or down there, I'm not sure. Let's see what happens. I can already start smelling the food being cooked. It smells of tom yum, smells of pad thai, smells of grilled fish, smells of grilled chicken. Really nice smells. It's only like around 9:20 in the morning, and this is the best time to come because it's incredibly quiet. So this boat costed us 2,000 baht for 1 hour. It's a private boat. You can go with locals. You have to wait for a bus to come, and there's a load of people that come off, and then you can get a boat, I think I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the ride. Might not stop anywhere. Kind of just like window shopping at this point.
What?
No, it's okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So the driver will actually stop at certain shops like we just did right now, and they'll really try hard to sell you stuff. But I haven't come here to buy stuff. I just wanted to come here for the experience. I don't think it's the cheapest place to buy stuff, to be completely honest with you. You can probably get stuff cheaper in Chinatown, in some of the malls, but yeah, I don't think, because like she showed us a few things here, like some hats and fan things that you can use, you know, Chinese people use, I think it is, and it really is quite expensive. She was like, for like 6 small wallets she was charging like 650 baht, which is like 12 pounds, and the same one you can actually get it for like maybe 300 baht in Chinatown. So it's definitely cheaper elsewhere. Starting to feel slightly hungry. Pretty cool way to buy and sell, isn't it? You can't walk from one shop to another. You've got no choice but to take a boat here. Alright, so I can already start seeing some halal food here. It's a good thing they have this halal food area here as well, because Thailand has a large population of Muslims, and actually a lot of Muslims do visit Thailand, so it's nice to come to this place and grab a bite as well at the same time. Somewhere down here. Alright, we've reached the halal place now. They do all sorts of pad thai, fried rice with basil, tom yum, fried rice, noodle soup, tom yum seafood. I think maybe we can stop here and grab a bite. Walaikum salam. So we just stopped at this place and they're gonna make us some pineapple juice and some Thai milk tea, Thai iced tea, Thai milk iced tea. Food is incredibly expensive here. I thought it'd be a lot more cheaper, but everything seems to be quite expensive. So yeah, here we've got some bananas. Look how small they are, look how cute they are. This is 5 bananas for 40 baht. So that's like 5 bananas for £1 or something. So here I have my Thai milk iced tea. Look how big that is. She said she's gonna give me a small for 100 baht, but she actually gave me a big and she said it's fine, take it for 100 baht. So not bad for like £2.40, but I'm telling you, you can get this for much cheaper when you go down in Bangkok, like in the city centre or something. I don't think I'm going to be eating here because I'm not spending like £5-6 on a small meal. So got myself a banana as well, so I'm going to have that with my Thai iced tea, and that should be enough fuel. Things are getting more interesting as we speed up. Okay, that's decent. not as good. I think she put too much ice in it, so although it looks really big, there's less tea and more ice in it, so it tastes very watered down.
So I know the experience here can be overwhelming and many of the items are overpriced. Yet there's something quite spectacular about sitting on a boat as I sip my Thai iced tea and make my way around this bustling water market. The view of vendors yelling their wares as eager tourists stop and pay premium prices is still quite fascinating, despite the fact that you also feel slightly trapped into having to buy something, even if it's food.
Things are looking a lot more interesting now. There's more food here, like flatbreads and grilled foods and coconut ice cream. Smile!
Smile!
So let's give this coconut ice cream a taste test. That is really, really good. And there's also peanuts on it as well, which adds a really nice taste. Peanuts, coconuts, and also as you can see here, we've got, I think this is called chendol or chendol or something like that. This green stuff. Let's taste it with all the good stuff here. It's also served in a coconut, and it's also served with coconut. Coconut ice cream, you cannot get better than this. One of the best experiences having coconut ice cream on a boat in a floating market in Thailand. Incredible. Because people have seen that we're buying coconut ice cream from one guy. This guy's trying to stop here. This guy's trying to stop us here. Hello, hello, thank you.
You are a shopping lady.
Shopping lady.
What is shopping souvenir?
This guy's really trying his hardest to sell some crazy stuff to us, which I'd never buy.
Yeah, magnet.
I've got magnet.
With a bag? Summer bag?
No.
Photo album. Chopstick. Cooking.
Cooking. The people here, when you don't buy anything from them, even though they're pestering you and they're kind of persuading you to buy stuff constantly, if you don't buy something, they won't exactly turn around and be like, have a frown on their face or be really upset. They leave saying, kapunka, kapunka, really happy people, really friendly people. And you don't really feel any regret. Some places I've traveled to, I've not bought something and I've kind of left and said I don't want it anymore, and they kind of have a frown and they look really upset and they don't even talk to you. So it's not like that here at all. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but the boat is really speeding up and we're heading back to where we started from. It's a lot more quieter here, as you can see. You can go on this boat ride for longer. You can go for 1.5 hours, you can go for 2 hours if you like, you can go for 3 hours. The more people there are, the better it is, I think. The cheaper it costs, and it's probably a bit more enjoyable if you have a lot more people, in terms of talking to the locals and in terms of going shopping. You might find cheaper deals, etc. Alright, we are out of the boat now. We're gonna get our car back to the hotel. That was an incredible experience. It was slightly on the expensive side. Would I do it again? Yes, but not here. I'd probably go to another floating market where it costs a little bit cheaper. So it cost us 2,000 baht, which is around 40 to 42 pounds for a 1 hour ride. I definitely think that you can probably get it for a little bit cheaper elsewhere. So for that reason, I probably won't be back here again. But it was still really fun to go and see what life is like, how people are selling. What a way to, you know, have a business. What a way to kind of buy and sell. And you can't exactly walk there, so you have to take a boat. You've got no choice. So yeah, I mean, that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Hope you guys have gotten a kind of a glimpse, an idea of what life is like on this side of Bangkok. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also switch on that notification bell button if you want more videos like this. I'll see you guys in another video. Kapung Kao from Thailand. Assalamu alaikum.